Just to raise my opinions on the Icebo Lethu group conversation that has been held, where I believe a gentleman, Sibonelo Zaka, was involved in some type of criminal activity, allegedly. There was a shootout with the police and he was killed. One of his relatives, Unozip, I'm not sure if it's a sister or whoever the case may be, they were paying premiums where this person was covered. And Icebo Lethu said that they are refusing to pay out because this person at the time of death was involved in some type of criminal activity and they are protected by the contractual terms and conditions. My opinion on this is that either Icebo Lethu needs to give back the premiums to say, look, this person was involved in criminal activity. We are not going to pay out, but we will also not profit from this person who was linked to criminal activity. Or people in the industry need to have a real conversation around the exclusions of payouts. Are these exclusions illegal, immoral? And if they are, that's okay. Let's all agree on it. But it cannot be that the life insurance covers, the funeral cover guys, they are all going to make profit off those same people. And are they saying that they do not cover prisoners? People that have been convicted of rape, of murder, of carjackings, whatever the case may be. What about so-called corrupt politicians who have been found guilty, maybe paid a fine, whatever? Do they cover them? How do they rationalize that but not rationalize this? I think that's a conversation that needs to be held. And I think Icebo Lethu needs to try and do the right thing. I know there's the law, but the law is not always right. We've seen this historically. Slavery, apartheid, and the like. Not everything that is legal is moral. Not everything that is legal is the right or the good thing to do. And they can maybe set a precedent to say, we will start doing things differently. And we believe that the rest of the industry must take suit because we cannot be declining, refusing to pay out people because of what we deem illegal or immoral. But we're happy to make money off of those same people or those same acts. There's something fundamentally wrong there. I do not endorse crime. And if Sibonelo was really guilty of the crimes he's accused of, maybe it is a good thing that we don't have him here anymore. I know the police have a hard time having to deal with criminals. We've got serious crime issues in South Africa, and we appreciate them trying to solve some of these things. I'm sorry to the family, as angry as they are, that one of their family members was involved in criminal activities. Many people have family members that are like that. But there has to be some type of consistency in however we are moving, and we need to do things the right way. Don't do crime. You'll find yourself dead, and your family member won't even get a payout of whatever you have. Have a great and blessed day. Happy New Year from me, Penuel, the Black Pen, Ipene Limnyama, the Swat Pen, Pene Enzo. Cheers.
Yo guys, ndivale nto ye Icebo Lethu funerals. Make sithethe ngezi funeral plan guys. Yeah, ngoku saqala unyaka. Kukhona la funeral plan yaselokishini okanye yaselalini, khona la funeral plan yakwa Old Mutual, yakwa Standard Bank, yakwa Ntontoni. So this family in KZN was insured kwa Icebo Lethu funerals. Then kengoku the guy ilungu labo le family lasweleka ku shootout with the police. Then and there are allegations against this family member eswelekileyo. Okay. Ngoku nanku nqontsonqa. Icebo Lethu funerals says they will not do a funeral payout because, according to underwriting and Tonton big English words, they do not have to pay anyone osweleke kukhona intsolo ze crime uyabo against them. So if you are a criminal okanye there are allegations of criminality against you wasweleka lo meko, and then bona they are not obligated to pay you. So ingxaki ke ngoku apho ikhoyo ne, when you've been contributing kulo Icebo Lethu funerals maybe for 10 years, for Icebo Lethu Sandofika, I think maybe 5 years or 3 years, all these premiums, all these years, and then now on the last day when you need them, they are not obligated to pay you. Guys, yes, apho ndiyakhona. I think as a funeral plans, as a funeral policy or plans zase lalini zaselokishini, I think they are still the best, and they are way cheaper compared to Old Mutual and as banks, because a bank you'll pay maybe 150, 200, 300 for yourself only for yourself. But kwezi zaselalini you pay low 200 rand for everyone in the home, for everyone in the house. And ke ngoku additionally to that, if you are gone, for as long as you are gone, we don't care ubana urobhe ibhanki waze wathini kwasolwa ntoni kuwe. We don't care. As long as you are gone, pay out standard. Ifamily yakho iyangcwatyelwa, guys. We need to take lessons from this. Ungasuke uthathe like uba uyaqonda ba incinci pay out mhlambi yalo funeral plan yaselalini yakho, maybe i-pay out yabo is just 15,000. Ungasuke uthathe zibe yi-2. Uyabo? 15 komnye umbutho, 15 komnye umbutho. Uyabo? Njalo njalo. Uyabo eminye seyibhatala no 25,000. You can just find out, man. Honestly, because hi, abelungu badala, guys, and ngoba ngoku what my question here is, what happens ke ngoku 5 years down the line when it gets found out ubana the guy was actually not a criminal, ebetyholwa and all of that. Icebo lethu izawuphinda ikwazi yomngcwaba umntu, because the thing is like now you need the money now, like you need the money now for ungcwaba. Oh, you don't want to go around like a headless chicken, uhambe uboleka imali, uhambe unxiba, uhambe uguqa ngamadolo. That is why you are paying funeral policy. And yinto esemthethweni ke ombadzi South Africa law ntonto yinto esemthethweni le bayenzayo. But cingela wena as a person, I think mna lami mibutho yasezilalini, lami mibutho yaselokishini kuthiwe umbutho wobanibani ntonto funeral ubhatala 150 ngenyanga, 200 ngenyanga, 250 ngenyanga, azange ndawuva 300 ngenyanga. But kulo premium leyo ubhatalela everyone in your home, okanye ubhalisa like up to 8 members of the family, okanye up to 10 members of the family, iyashiyana. But the thing about ngayo nakanjani when you are gone, iyabhatala la nto ke la mibutho. Akuxoxo ubana ubusweleke ngelithini, hayi wawukuwa ne-TB before azange uyidisclose ngoba ujoyina ngoku asizungcwaba. Phofu kudala wabhatala i-premium each and every month. Hayi wawuke walantuka wa-involved kwi-accident zange uyidisclose loo nto leyo xa ujoyina. Accident yakudala when you were 5 years of age. Awuyazi loo nto leyo, like uyilibele at the time ujoyina, and then ngoku abazuyibhatala because zange uyidisclose loo nto leyo. Phofu oko beyithatha imali yakho khange ba-investigate ngelaa ntuka ngepast yakho while you were paying. Balinde that day ubadinga ngayo kuba benze thorough investigation from when you were day 0. Uyabo? Uyakhumbula ela polisa lase-Cape Town Old Mutual wayengafuna ulingcwaba esithi lisweleka ngodutyulwa elipolisa, and then Old Mutual esithi akazukulingcwaba because azange la disclose uba lalkela ne-blood pressure, lalkela gula i-blood pressure before. Ndithe ngepolisa lisweleke mna ngokudutyulwa, so uba wayidisclose i-blood pressure ibiza kumsindisa loo nto leyo, like idibana phi? Sancho zezi funeral plans and policies and ntontoni zabelungu ke ezo. Think guys, kuJanuary. Think yiba ne-funeral plan eqondileyo yasekuhlaleni noba zimbini noba ntathu, because this is not on. Cinga ngoku wenzekelwe yiloo nto leyo nguJanuary, uzayifumana phi imali yongcwaba? No guys.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Iyatrenda iqebo lethu ngemva kokuthi incabe ngcwaba umfana lebathi nguSibonelo Zaqa. So uSibonelo Zaqa was involved in a police shooting esana ubulo maphoyisa. So isicebo lethu ngeke ize imngcwabe because bekabanzakanyeka ebugebenyweni indlela afe ngakhona bekadubulana nemaphoyisa. So people are angry kokuthi hayibo bekabhadalelwa nje lo bhodi kungani manje nyalo nezingene imgcwabe ngoba ufe adujula amaphoyisa. Do you guys also do that to my politicians la end up gebengu or kanjani? People are saying ukuthi icebo lethu is-scam kahle kahle. People are always crying about icebo lethu. Some are even asking themselves ukuthi why are they still paying for icebo lethu uma icebo lethu bayibona ukuthi inema red flags lamaningi. Some are even saying ukuthi icebo lethu ngcwaba kahle bantu labanemali o uma unganyana unganamali icebo lethu oyitodlala njengawe ayenza ibukudlala yothi so ubhadalile owabhadala for skhathi mase ushonele one of your family members bhalisile laphana babese bakutshela titori. What's your take about icebo lethu? Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Subscribe, share this video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.